Okay guys, this is the GoBike 16-inch electric balance bike, and my son Jackson has had just about every electric balance bike you can imagine. He's had STACYCs, he's had Shercos, he's had Beaters, he's had YCFs, he's had Kawasaki electrodes. There's not many he hasn't ridden, so we're quite well versed in balance bikes, the benefit of being on this job. He's now 6, he started riding them at the age of 2. This one popped up on our radar mainly because of the spec of it. I was kind of looking at the specs and thinking, like, this can't be, you know, a standard 16-inch electric balance bike, because it comes with stuff you expect to see on a dirt bike. I'm going to run you through what it has. We'll kind of walk around and have a look at it, but I'll go as far as to say this is probably the highest spec electric balance bike or electric bike that I've seen and that we've ever tested. I'll explain to you why in a second, and for that reason it is arguably the best electric balance bike we have ridden. The others are all excellent. This one's a little bit more expensive. It's $13.99 compared to some of the other similar